Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here. Welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about how to create order tracking page on Shopify. So obviously it's 100% free, and obviously there is no need to pay for apps. So to go and find and how to create a order tracking page, what you need to do, you need to log in into your account, and this is my account. So on the left side you can see there's an option called online store. Click on it and it will show more options. And to create order tracking page, you need to create a page first. So obviously you need to create a page over here. As you can see, click on pages and you will end up over here. So on the top right corner you can see we have page, add page. Click on add page and here we are. So we have to write our title, whatever would be the title over the page. You can write over here like tracking order for my mobile, tracking order for this. So I will show you what it means. And you can see you can choose the template, theme template if you want, and you can set the visibility. You can search engine listing preview if you want, and this is where you are going to write your content. So for this tutorial I'm just going to write track your order, sorry, track your order, and that's it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy a script. I'm going to copy a script and I'm going to paste over here. So for that I'm going to open my script. As you can see over here, this is my script, and you will find this in, obviously, in the description. And here we are, as you can see. So just leave everything and go right down at the bottom and you will find over here tracking page script. So what you need to do, you need to grab all of these, copy, go to your account, and don't paste here, show HTML. First click on it and then paste. What would happen now, if you are going to save this, you will see what would happen. Save, page was created. Easy. So you need to see obviously what it looks like. Right on the right top right corner you can see we have view page. Click on view page, it will open new window and you will end up over here. It's very easy. You have your tracking order page over here, but there are some few things which you need to do before you like confirm it, right? So as you can see over here, it's right on the like, this alignment is not good. You can just set it up over here if you want, if you know how to do that. Otherwise leave it as it is, because it's looking good in my opinion. And what happens now, you are going to copy this URL, this track your order URL. So I'm just going to copy this whole point to copy all of this, because we need to show this tracking page on our, like, obviously on our Shopify store, obviously, right? So what do you need to do, you need to go back to your account over here, and you can see like right down below of pages, navigation. Click on navigation, you will end up over here, and here we are. Click on main menu. Just remember that, don't click on add menu right away. Click on main menu. Once you click on it, add menu item from here. Click on add menu item. About us, don't write anything over here, we need to link our page, right? Just click on over here pages and it will show how many pages you have. We have our track your order. Click on it and it will automatically name our order, like obviously our page. And this is where we have added our link. Just click on add, it will show up over here, save menu. So this one will show up with these two. So we need to see our on, obviously, our online store. Click on view online store. Once you click on it, you will see over here, as you can see, this is our track your order. Click on it, obviously it will take you on our link. So this is how you are going to link like your, so just remember that you need to copy this. All right, you need to copy this, and then you need to paste this over here in main menu. All right. So the last step is shipping confirmation email. Obviously, Shopify have like did this before already, but what is shipping confirmation email? So obviously, once someone ordered something and we have already shipped that, so Shopify will send an email to them that you can track your order from over here. So how to find that? So you need to go at settings, notifications over here, as you can see. Click on shipping confirmation until you find shipping options, shipping confirmation, and you will find that Shopify have already made their own tracking order email over here. But what you can do if you want, otherwise in my opinion you should do that, uh, you need to go at new tab where we have pasted this, right? That is why we have left it before. And we are going to copy this obviously and open that script again which we have used before, and you will find that there is like yellow highlighted area, and you are going to paste that link over here. Paste. Simple. And now copy all of this, copy. All right, copy, and go back to your page over here. Control A to select all. You can just delete it. Control, like Control V, or you can just paste it right away. And this is our new confirmation page. Just click on save, and that's it. You can preview it if you want. And this is our new tracking page. For like, not new obviously, this is our email. Once they are going to click on here, they will end up over this link. So that's it. This is all you need to know about how to create your tracking order page. Like, you need to create first your page, then mention that on your online store, and then you need to create your shipping order confirmation page or email. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like and something you have learned. And thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.